Welcome back, lovely people, to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can contact the TikTok customer care. It's very easy. Once you're on your TikTok profile, just click on this three line by your top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. You scroll down to where you have report a problem. You click on that and just wait for it to load, and then go through all the options we have here. Any problem you have, if your problem is with account recovery, go ahead to click that. If it's with your account and profile, go ahead to click that. Once you click that down, you will see a drop down of more options you can choose from. Just take your time and see the one that applies to you. But if you don't see anything here that applies to you, you can scroll down and then you click on chat with us, and that's just it. Once you click on that, you'll have the opportunity to write out whatever it is you want to write about the problem you have, and in a very short time they'll get back to you. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching to this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.